Today I wanna introduce you the process of buying YouTube views. This is the first page of our panel. As you see, we have two options, Iranian version and Word version. We need Word version. Here we have two options too, professional panel and light panel. Now for light panel is okay. For registering an order, you need to log into the panel first. So you should enter your email and password and then log in. After doing reCAPTCHA, you can log into the site. Here you can see the dashboard, and with the icon Other, you can use pages and services and everything you need. We need pages at first. Here we need YouTube services, so tap on the YouTube, and with scrolling down you can see the YouTube services. We are looking for YouTube views, as you know, so tap on C, and here with scrolling right and left you can see the variety of these services. Choose one of them, for example these. Here, by entering your link or your ID and everything that we need, you can submit your order. Before any registering or submitting an order, you need to read the description of service carefully. It helps you to figure out the information about your service or anything you need. For example, quality of the service, how much it drops, or start time, speed, and everything you need. After reading these items, you can put your information in the blank. As you see, you have two options for paying your service. You can use your wallet or you can use other ports like Perfect Money and Payer. After choosing them, you should press Accept and Payment. After placing an order or even canceling it, a receipt will be displayed you which contains the code and other items. That here we have a tracking code, a status of your service, and everything you need. That's all. We hope your questions have been clarified. Warm wishes.